If you've spent any time outside this summer, you've probably noticed the mosquitoes are especially bad.
The increase in the number of those pests can be traced back to a very rainy April. So how bad is the problem and what's being done about it? News Channel 15's Randy Spieth has those answers tonight from Studio 15.
The health department has gotten countless complaints of mosquitoes already this spring, many more than last year, but when they die down will depend on our summer weather.
When we're out in the backyard, we used to be able to have dinners out there, and we've noticed that they're bothering us. So, yeah, it's just something we've been trying to keep an eye on.
Officials at the Allen County Health Department monitor over 400 sites where mosquitoes breed in the county. So far, there have been only nuisance mosquitoes, ones that don't carry diseases like the West Nile virus.
A couple weeks ago had about 5 inches or so more of rain, has filled up those low areas again, covered up those eggs. With the warm weather, we have another crop of these floodwater nuisance mosquitoes flying around.
This week, health officials in Adams County found a mosquito pool in Decatur with the virus. While it's unusual to see this time of year, Allen County's Director of Vector Control says it can happen when birds carry the virus through the winter.
There are birds like sparrows and robins that can carry the virus, but the virus doesn't kill them.
The health department will begin putting out mosquito traps next week across the county. But you have to remember they're looking for mosquitoes that carry diseases such as the West Nile virus. So with no more overnight spraying due to budget cuts, that means sometimes you're left to your own methods to get rid of mosquitoes around your home.
We do the spray on the kids and ourselves, but we also treat our yard, and that tends to help.
We always ask the public to maintain their swimming pools, get rid of unrimmed tires properly, flush out their bird baths once a week, clean out those clogged gutters, and that'll help cut down on the number of mosquitoes flying around.
So the question everyone wants to know, when will the mosquitoes die down?
If it doesn't rain anymore, we're not going to see any nuisance mosquitoes. Okay, the problem though is the disease-carrying type mosquitoes, they like hot, dry weather.
Mosquito trapping could go past September depending on our summer weather. The hotter and drier it gets, the more likely it is that we'll find mosquitoes that are carrying the West Nile virus. In Studio 15, Randy Spieth, News Channel 15.